tayong isa pa dito. I'm going to demonstrate the next one, which is recolor vectors. Mamaya ko na papakita sa inyo yung text to image kasi sobrang mind-blowing yan. Ito muna, recolor vectors, which is an additional design feature that they have uploaded. So click natin yung generate. And any SVG work that you have on Illustrator, pwede kayo mag-upload dito. Kunyari, meron kayong ginawa sa Illustrator na SVG, pwede nyo i-upload dito, automatic pwede nyo siyang i-recolor. So bigyan ko kayo ng example. Nagbigay si Adobe ng examples dito. In my case, let's click on this purple, blue and purple like cat thing. Yan, illustration. And you would like example have a prompt like this. Meron tayong mga sample prompts dito and this will automatically recolor the artwork itself. Pwede natin baguhin to. Let's say colorful pastel inspired by vegan heritage for some strange reason. Yun na naisip ko right now. Magpasensya nyo na my brain is a little bit on turbo right now. So, ayan, diba? Colorful pastel inspired by vegan heritage for some strange reason what I'm doing this. Okay, so yan yung nakita niya using the prompts, diba? Or pwede tayong magbago ng like say inspired by Coca-Cola logo. Pwede natin try. Try natin let's just try. Ano bang lalabas dito na color kung Coca-Cola logo yung lagyan natin? Ayan, meron tayong mga reds, meron tayong mga specific na colors na ganyan. And you can easily like switch colors from this. Let's say i-reshuffle natin, click natin. Ayan, kita nyo. So imagine the possibilities of creating or ideation using this tool. And you can just download this. Click natin download, automatic SVG na siya. If you want like variations of your logos, upload it, save it as a SVG, do it on recolor vectors, and automatically you can just create more versions of this. Kita nyo? And you can definitely like choose what type of harmony. Let's say gusto mo natin complementary colors, hindi lang masyadong out of the blue. Let's say gusto nyo analogous. Let's say this one, di ba? Or you can go back to your like art history. Meron tayong mga triads, split complementaries, and all of that. Okay, you can easily like also use like the colors itself. For example, gusto natin faded na gray, ganitong color, di ba? Pero iba-ibang variations. Click natin to. Di ba? Pwedeng ganyan. Or very bright like neons, like greens. Pwede nating i-click yan. And also this one. Pwede tayong mag-specify naman ganitong karaming colors by just using or facilitating this. Let's say, balikan natin sa default. So, using the default, yan yung na-generate nating colors. Okay? So, is this good? Paki-comment nga good kung you can see something like this. Something like this very useful to all of you. Okay?